Lady Cheryl here, and I want to introduce you to a friend of mine. Her name is Monica. I've been doing Monica's hair. Thank you, Monica. I've been doing Monica's hair since 1993. Anyway, I invite her over to pick some greens to help herself, and I'm going to help her. And you know how we harvest them? We start at the bottom.
No, because she don't know.
And get the yes, you do. And get the big leaves.
She don't know how to do that.
You can get them right there. Like they're gonna try to bolt. Yeah, get them big leaves there, cause it's getting ready to bolt.
Pull the whole thing or?
No, don't pull it up. Just break it off. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that is pretty. Hold up the red ones. Yeah, that's a beautiful bouquet. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Lord Jesus, thank you. I didn't have to climb the privacy fence for this.
She wouldn't have to do that, guys. She can have greens anytime she wants. Nice. Yes, very nice. Okie dokie.
Bye now.
She remembers Bria.